Welcome. Today we will explore the ASP.NET lifecycle step by step. The ASP.NET lifecycle defines how requests are processed in an ASP.NET application. It all starts with a page request made by a user's browser. ASP.NET initializes the application and creates a new instance of the page. The init event is triggered where controls are initialized. Next, the load event occurs and the page is populated with the data. If the request is a post bag, the event handlers for controls are executed. The render event generates the HTML output for the response. Finally, the unload event occurs where cleanup operations are performed. In summary, the ASP.NET lifecycle involves a series of steps: request, start, init, load, postback, render, and unload. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.